Renaissance, the carnival of existence. Classes 3 to 5 of Ashok Hall Girls Higher Secondary School present Renaissance. Latin, Oriental and Arabian dancers come together to celebrate life. Despite all the joy and contentment, discord and hostility still prevails, creating unrest on earth. Finally, aliens help to restore the spirit of peace and goodwill.
through the night.
Don't you smell it? Smell it?
We are here today not as a victory of a body, but as a celebration of freedom, symbolizing the end as well as the beginning, signifying hope as well as the change. Well, I brought it for you, an entire universe of their life.
Unity in diversity. India's unity in diversity can best be expressed through the various forms of dance performed by classes 3 to 8 of Mahadevi Birla Shishu Vihar.
गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कॉमेडी, कौन में लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कॉमेडी, कौन में लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कॉमेडी, कौन में लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कॉमेडी, कौन में लुटाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा।
Evolution of modern dance, performed by classes 6 to 8 of G.D. Birla Center for Education. Evolution of modern dance shows how the various dance forms have evolved through the ages. In prehistoric times, people expressed their emotions through vigorous movements and acrobatic gyrations. The next performance demonstrates and assures you that nothing has really changed. So, tap your toes, knock your knees and clap your hands to hip hop, salsa, fusion, jazz and mind-boggling rhythms.
On the first day, God created the earth, and he saw it was good. On the second day, he created man, and he saw it was good. On the third day, he created music, and he saw it was good. On the fourth day, he created movement, and they started to move. it's me and yours. If you're hungry, please understand. This is the end of the sweet sugar candy man.
My love, I know you are my candy man. And oh my love, your body's like a man. Oh my love, I know you are my candy man. And oh my love, let us fly to bouncy land.
about a prince who did care. This fairy tale, presented by the students of classes 6 to 8 of Ashok Hall Girls Higher Secondary School, conveys the message of peaceful coexistence with nature.
looking after the people of his land. All he could think about was hunting the biggest animals and birds in his kingdom. He gambled and enjoyed himself every day with all his friends. Veerasan. Was a little village with a lake in front. Every day the beautiful lotus flowers opened and closed in the sun. The trees of the forest were very tall and strong. Tadasan. When the wind came, it blew all the tree branches. Tiriyak Tadasan. It twisted all the trees. Kati Chakarasan. Sometimes the trees would fall and break. Then all the strong woodcutters from the village would come. Kashta Takshanasan. Ha! 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 Then they would go home to their wives who were grinding the wheat. Chakki Chalanasan. Children of the village played Chulana Ludhakanasan. They looked after their pets or rabbit Shashanka Asan. There was a yoga ashram in the jungle where sadhus lived. Ekapada Pranamasan. And Lord Shiva's pose, Nataraj Asan. Sadhus would teach the children of the village to watch the birds and animals and learn from them. The crow, Kauva Chalasan. And the camel, Ushtrasan, and the fish, Matsyasan. about their parents. Gomukh Asan. It was a very happy village until suddenly the prince heard about the animals, and the prince decided he would go hunting Akarna Dhanarasan. They had to cross a big river full of crocodiles, Makarasan. But then the prince got large boats, Naukasan. And they rowed the boats across, Nauka Sanchalasan. It was evening when they got to the other side. They were very tired and lay down to sleep for a while. Shavasan. All the animals of the forest were frightened, even the lion. Simha Garjanasan. And the angry tigers, Vyaghrasan. And also the big cobras, Bhujanga Asan. They prayed to the sadhus who told them not to worry, said Thali Asan. In the moonlight, the students prayed to the moon, Chandra Namaskar.
Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya.
The sadhus sent moonbeams to touch the prince and change his mind. When the prince woke up at dawn, he realized that we must respect nature and live in harmony with all living things. Only then will we survive. The vital rays of the sun bring health and energy to everyone on the earth. All the people prayed and thanked Mother Earth and the glorious rising sun.
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya,
Surya Namaskar.
Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om.
formation march past. As a stunning grand finale, the students of classes 9 and 11 will show you their marching skills in an intricate display of figure marching.
We now request our guest of honor, Dr. Kumar Mangalam Birla, to kindly address us.
My respected grandparents, Madadoji, my aunt, Mrs. Manjushri Khetan, teachers, parents, students, ladies and gentlemen, I feel most privileged to be invited here this evening to participate in Spectrum 2005. First and foremost, I want to pay my respects to my grandparents. It is because of their foresight and commitment to the cause of quality education that we are all gathered here today. They are truly my role models in every respect. Their contribution to industry, to education, the performing arts, to building enduring institutions across so many varied fields, to philanthropic activities is awe-inspiring. For all their love and blessings, I'm short on words to express my gratitude to them. I also want to thank and congratulate my aunt Manjushri. Spectrum is her brainchild and the result of her untiring and relentless efforts. Her love for children and dedication to providing them with holistic education and her endeavor to conquer new horizons in the field is worthy of emulation. I doff my hat to her inexhaustible energy. It has been my absolute pleasure to witness every Spectrum event ever since the first time in 1983. I can therefore say with confidence that this event has grown in stature, in scale, and in its creativity many times over. And your spectacular performance today takes the benchmark for the next Spectrum to an altogether new high. Let me congratulate all of you students for such a stellar show. You were truly exceptional. When it comes to any project, I believe the scale and scope of it is always determined by the vision and ambition with which it is created. At this point in time, a saying comes to my mind: reach for the stars. When you reach for them, you may not get them, but you won't come up with a handful of dust either. I can clearly see that the team behind Spectrum is indeed reaching for the stars, because every time I come here and see it, I am more impressed. I urge you to keep reaching for the stars, because that way you will create a shining trail of stardust that will inspire the teams following you to go even higher. It is 23 years since I graduated from school. But even today, amongst my fondest memories are those of my years at school. We can never stop talking about all the fun we had at school, doubling up with laughter when we recall the anecdotes, the school activities, the memorable occasions, and of course, the funny things our teachers said and did. So clearly, life at school is a part of your life that you will always remember and always cherish. When we are in school, we learn the most crucial lessons of our life. And here I'm not talking about the lessons that we learn in textbooks. I'm talking of the lessons that shape us as individuals. We enter through the gates of a school with our minds tabula rasa, which in Latin means a blank slate. And as we experience different interaction and stimuli, this slate starts to get colors and pictures. Since these are the first colors and pictures that we record, they remain fresh and shining for a long, long time to come. And there are special events which are called defining moments that particularly stay in your memory. All of us have, at some stage in our school lives, been a part of our school's theater productions, cultural activities. But very few of us, if any, and I can say that with certainty, would have been part of an event of this scale and magnitude. I truly believe that an event like this is a platform that very few students across the country would have had an opportunity to be on. I'm sure that all of you participating students realize that and value that. I also have no doubt that when all of you look back on your time at school, you will always recall your experience of participating in Spectrum as one of those defining moments or high points of your school lives. I use the word defining because this event could have brought to the surface some talent that you did not even know existed in you, or it could have rid you of your stage fright and given you the confidence to perform in front of a large audience. That is the special value of an event such as Spectrum. It embellishes facets of you that make a well-rounded personality. Each one of us has something special, some innate ability, something we can do much better than others. And an event like this helps us to find out what that something special is in us. What is that spark that can be lit? I wish to put in a special word here for the teachers. Oftentimes as students, we take for granted the selfless and dedicated efforts of our teachers who work so hard to bring out the best in us. We must all feel a deep sense of gratitude to our teachers from whom we have learned so much and who have invested so much in our very formative years. It is they who have laid the foundation in our journey to become responsible individuals driven by a sense of values. So I'd like all of us here to once again applaud both the teachers and the students who have no doubt worked very hard to make this event possible. I'm sure that hidden in this spectrum are some of the blazing and fiery stars of tomorrow. Perhaps today amongst us, we have tomorrow's Amitabh Bachchan or Ustad Zakir Hussain or Aditi Mangaldas. Today's children have the world before them like an oyster. You can be anything you aspire to be: businessman, singer, dancer, actor, tennis player, scientist, mathematician, writer, or cricketer. And I can see all of these in this spectrum before us. Finally, let's look at Spectrum from a larger perspective. It is, to my mind, an outstanding example of how we in India can take our country to new heights if only we can learn to be exceptional team players. If there was more effective collaboration between the government, the polity, the corporate world, and the world of arts and crafts, the sum of the parts would be much, much larger than the whole. If our country, India, is truly to become one of the 3 largest economies in the world in the course of our lifetimes, then the need for extraordinary team effort is something that we can all learn from the children who have performed today. And Spectrum to me means precisely that: a spectrum of skills, cultures, religions and competencies, all aligning to create an India that Rabindranath Tagore dreamt of, where we can all hold our heads high, an India that we can all be truly proud of. I want to congratulate you all once again for your exceptional performance. You have provided us with a wonderful spectrum of delight. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring address. We now request for the vote of thanks.
Dr. Kumar Mangalam Birla, Dr. Srimati Sarla Birla, Dr. Shriyut B.K. Birla, parents, ladies and gentlemen. We have just heard Dr. Kumar Mangalam Birla's inspirational address. Thank you very much, sir, for gracing the occasion and for words of wisdom. You are a role model for many of us. Listening to you has been a wonderful experience. We are grateful to respected Dr. Srimati Sarla Birla, Shriyut B.K. Birla for their guidance, encouragement and support. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Today's show has been a result of teamwork. Several organizations, individuals have done their best to make it happen. They deserve our special thanks. The choreographers, musicians, light and sound teams, makeup groups, and the hairdressers for making the show spectacular. Heads of schools, teachers, office and support staff for the long hours they put in to ensure things move with clockwork precision. West Bengal Sports and Youth Services for the stadium, and the staff of NIS for providing excellent services. Dear parents, we thank you for the wonderful children who, with your wholehearted support, have grown and become stars. The students had practiced under demanding conditions to put up this show. We are proud of their grit, discipline, and abundant energy. Thank you, students, for all your efforts. Your performance was simply dazzling. Srimati Manjushri Khaitan has remained in the background today, but was visible in all that you saw. Her organizing capabilities, an eye for perfection, and a style for generating excitement have enriched us all. A modest thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Let us all rise for the national anthem.
Formation march post! Standards! Formation march post! Attention!